Let's get first of all to the latest headlines on coronavirus cases. U.S. cases topping 150,000 for the first time ever. That means the total cases in the U.S. now topping 10.5 million. Our Anjalee Khemlani has been tracking all the headlines there for us. Anjalee.
That's correct, Julie. And unfortunately, what that number means is that we've gone from Monday surpassing 10 million for the first time to now 500,000 cases in just 1 week, less than a week, rather, just 5 days. And that's sort of setting the tone for what is this very alarming trend. If you look across the country, the map is absolutely red in terms of where the states are trending individually. Of course, some states worse than others. As we know, South Dakota and Wyoming, for example, both have positivity rates higher than 45%. And if we remember, the 40s was where it was an alarming number earlier in the pandemic. And right now we're seeing numbers higher than that, with South Dakota almost at 50, if not more. And so this is setting the tone for really even more concern, because as we get into the winter months, this is supposed to be spreading even farther because the virus survives better in this climate, in addition to worries about the flu circulating. And so hospitals are really under pressure right now. We know that with another record day yesterday, not just in the case count, but also in hospitalizations, looking at more than 69,000 hospitalizations reported in total. And that's up 10,000 from the record in April. And so health experts are really concerned about this. Meanwhile, we know lockdowns and restrictions and curfews are sort of happening in a repeat of patchwork efforts around the country. That includes a lockdown advisory we heard this week in Chicago, that 30-day no guests in home, essential work travel only, and canceling Thanksgiving celebrations. Illinois' governor has hinted at following suit with that. We're still waiting to hear more on that. Meanwhile, cities like Newark, Philadelphia, and counties like Miami-Dade have implemented curfews. El Paso County, however, really interesting. They really implemented some strict restrictions and were implementing curfews, which really caused a bit of a tussle yesterday in appeals court, saying that the extension that was supposed to go until December 1st is no longer is halted, essentially, though the county is allowed to continue restrictions such as restaurant closing times, bars remaining closed, and masks mandatory in public. So as it stands right now, a lot still going on and a lot to watch, but really trending all in very poor directions across the country.
Indeed, and internationally as well. Our Anjalee Khemlani, thank you.